Oh my god, this section is just the best. Okay, fallen in love with the blue one. Obsessed with this. How cool are these? The chocolate bombs.
Ooh.
These are beautiful. They're like silk pyjamas. Okay, we have made it to the Uggs. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be one of our favourites, the first Primark little duo video of the year. We're going to do a come shop with me, it's Primark, see what's new in, see all the new bits. I've been seeing everyone rave on so much about all the new homeware bits, so I'm so excited to see that. I'm going to see what new in clothes they've got. So yeah, I literally can't wait. If you are new here, I do 2 of these videos a month, so I do a come shop with me in Primark and a huge Primark haul. I find these videos really helpful, obviously, because Primark doesn't have a website. I feel like these videos are like my only way of like having a look inside the store. I've got this white hoodie on, some black leather trousers and this hat, so I'm feeling like ready to go. I'm going to take a trip to the Foss Park Primark in case anyone is kind of local, so you know like what stock that exact one has got in, but I'm sure they're all quite similar anyway. But yeah, let's get on with it. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Obviously, like I said, I do these videos every single month, so if you're a Primark fan like me, definitely subscribe and let's go and see what's new in Primark. Okay, so as you come in, it's all like the new gym stuff. Oh look, this is the set we saw on Laura Meacham's channel. Yeah, this is another one. This is kind of like the Able set that I've just got. Really nice, £8. They've got the matching little cycling shorts as well, and the sports bra, so that's like a nice little set. Well, this is nice as well. This like zip up, that would be nice with the green set, and it feels really soft as well. Yeah. £14 that one, guys. That's cute. That'd be cute to wear like over the stuff for the gym. I didn't know they had all these protein bars if anyone's a proper gym goer. Oh look, there's the sets on. Oh, didn't I just say that jumper would look nice over the top? Oh, this feels quite like the Grace, what's it called? The ones that I got, the shreddy ones.
Yeah. £3.50 this is.
So good. Massage stick. Oh my god, Mum. What else have we got? We've got gym socks, we've got gym towel. Everything.
Massive water.
Oh yeah, I remember I got one of these, but the thing is they're not very practical to carry around. That's the only thing about these bottles. This bag as well, I feel like that's really nice for the gym, don't you think, Mum?
Yeah.
Really nice. They've got some trainers. We've got more sets over here. You know what? These are really nice, not for the gym. Yeah. You know, like to wear under like big oversized jumpers, like with your Uggs as well, even with these. I might pick those up. Because I'm always wanting some like these, aren't I? You know, just to go under jumpers and stuff, so I might pick up those. Got a lot of small hoodies around here. This is nice. As we're going back into like pastels, don't you think? Yeah. That's really cute. So they've got normal hoodies, they've got it in baby blue as well. These joggers are really cute, manifest on them, and they're really soft as well actually. Like Pastel Heaven, oh my goodness. Literally a whole pastel section that's so nice. I like this. Okay, so first thing I'm seeing is this jumper, which I actually really like. I feel like it's very funky, but could be really cool on. Really like that. They've got this one as well. What's really soft, the bag? Mum spotted like a green bag, which is really cute. They've got so much pastel. They've got this, which is like the dupe for the Zara bodysuit. They've got it in lilac, they've got it in green. This jumper's really nice. They've got all the like pastel hats. They've got like jackets if that's your thing. This little skirt as well. This is the green one, like I was just saying. This bag's really cute as well. This is like the mini one of the ones they brought out last year. I love this section. Look, that top as well, like if like kind of retro vibes. Bootcut jeans. Oh my god, this section is just the best. They're on the pastels, I feel, before like anywhere else. They've got all these high neck tops as well. They've got like baby yellow, baby pink. They've got so many colours. Honestly guys, I'm feeling a bit blown away by that pastel section. Like that's really just shocked me a bit. I'm so excited. So we're having a great trip so far. I've put a few things in the basket. I'm not going to show you what though, because that'll be coming in the haul. Okay, they've got these leather puffers, which are definitely like Zara vibes. This one has really stood out to me, like a really nice pastel puffer. It's kind of like a lilac. It's not really picking up on camera, it's kind of like a lilac blue. Oh, Georgia. I'm just trying to get to the other. Oh my god, I can see the gilets. Are you walking towards the gilet? Mum spotted the same things as me.
They're all extra large.
Yeah, this is the colour that I was thinking of, like the off black one. You can kind of see the difference, guys. This one's kind of like a brown, like a very dark brown, and they've got black. They've also got blue. So this is the puffer on. It's just such a shame they've only got 2XL left, but it's so cool, even with this outfit right now. We saw this in Alex Cole's vlog and we fell in love with it, so we're just looking at this now. Oh yeah, some of them have pockets. They've got black ones with pockets and blue ones with pockets, and they've got without as well. The without ones are quite cropped, I don't know if you can see over there. Those ones are quite cropped. Okay, fallen in love with the blue one. Obsessed with this. It's so nice, guys, honestly. That same bodysuit in blue if you fancied going all out with that outfit. This shirt is really nice for like an evening. In Ellie Jarrett's vlog mum, these green trousers. They're like silky ones. £15 actually, a proper bargain for those. Okay, into the pyjama section, the best section of all. Let's see what we can find, guys. First thing in the pyjama section, these are beautiful. They're like silk pyjamas. The top is £14. That's quite pricey for Primark, isn't it? They've also got this like other silk colour, which is like a champagne. Oh, they're like Victoria's Secret, aren't they? Okay, this set, silky set, we saw it in Laura's haul, Laura Meacham's haul. And there's also the dark brown. The dark brown's actually really nice as well, but I think really the champagne is so nice. Dark brown with these bottoms. They've also got like a spotty silk set, but I'm just obsessed with this.
Yeah, the dark
and
brown.
And literal matching underwear to both of them. That's so cute. They've also got this colour. It's kind of like a mauve, isn't it? Again with the matching underwear. They're so nice. And the green's actually really nice for summer. That is the kind of thing that like Sarah Ashcroft would wear and everyone would go mad for it.
Look at the bottom with these.
They're really nice, aren't they? You could even wear those like a holiday.
Yeah.
We're obsessed with the Primark pyjamas that have this really soft material. And today is this pattern. I'm not as much of a fan of the pattern, but the material is so soft.
Oh, they've got long drawers in.
The red and pink is actually really nice as well, and they've got the bottoms that go tight on the bottom. They've got Valentine's Day cards. That one is nice. Very cute. I've picked up this one. They've also got these. Mum, how cool are these? The chocolate bombs.
Oh.
That's so nice that they've got that for Valentine's. Okay, so this is the rest of the Valentine's range. They've got this mug with the hot chocolate bomb. Don't know what that is. Oh, just for you, chocolate. These socks that kind of match the pyjamas. They're so nice. They feel really luxurious. I'm gonna pop those in. I like these as well. I have a lot of these chenille ones, but I haven't actually tried these ones before. They're like, what's that called?
Cashmere.
Cashmere. And you know how they've got these matching sets all the time? They've got it in like a chocolate brown, which is really nice. I'm actually tempted by that because how nice does that look, Mum? Okay, we have made it to the Uggs. I actually like the high up ones as well. Quite nice. I wanted to get the chocolate brown ones though, so let's see what sizes they've got. 7, 6, 3. Okay, we're going for the brown Uggs, guys. And then I'm just looking at these, which everyone's saying are the Zara dupes from last year, which are actually really nice. Do you think these would be good for walking the dog, or? No, I feel like they're not practical, are they? They look practical, but they're probably not. These boots are also really nice. They've got like the fluffy inside. I feel like those are really cute. How much are they?
20.
£20. That's actually quite good, isn't it? Oh, you can roll them down. Wow. That's so cool, guys. You can roll them down and have the fluff like down the side. Okay, we're now heading into makeup. Gonna try and find some good dupes, so I'll let you know. I've seen on TikTok a lot of dupes, so we're looking for them. I'm looking for a dupe of the Chanel bronzer. What else have we seen? We've seen like the Bed & Sex mascara dupe. I've tried that one before, it's really good. Brow pomade, that could be of the Anastasia Dip Brow. Good one. What else have we seen the dupes for? I'm gonna try and see if they've got a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury like glowy skin thing. I don't know if they have, but I'm gonna have a look for you guys. This is the mascara that I would use if I didn't have lashes on, but it's really, really good. This is a dupe for the 24-hour long wear foundation, the Estee Lauder one. Apparently that's really, really good. I'm just trying to find the liquid bronzer that's the Chanel dupe. They've got this freckle pen, and I've got a freckle pen at home, and it's really good. And this looks the exact same as the one I've got, so that is another little dupe for you. I think I've got one by Lottie London. This one's only £2. One's meant to be a dupe for the Huda Beauty lipsticks, which I have got at home as well. I was hoping for better from the nail section, I'm not gonna lie. I can't see many that I like. So we've just found these curlers, which I think actually might be cool to try again, which meant to add like voluminous curls to your hair, so I might give those a go. Yeah, cute little hair clip. They've got loads of these little claw clips actually. Some pastel ones. I think I've had them before. I've got those ones. We've got little ones, little baby ones. I'm now going to brave the home section. I don't know why I said brave. The home section is the most relaxing section of Primark, but I love it. I've seen very good things recently about the home section, so hopefully they've got some of the things I've seen online, because I just love everything I've seen online, like all the kind of like a Zara home, H&M home dupes. So let's go see. Just in the little notebook section, it's got more little ones down there. This is nice as well. Everyone knows I'm a sucker for a planner. Kids stationery, I don't think so. Adult stationery more like. We always love the little dog outfits and stuff. This is so small for little Bailey now though. He's so much bigger than that now, isn't he?
Yeah, they're not going to fit him in those.
A recipe book is that? Yeah, it is. Starters, main courses. Starters, main, salad, snacks. That's cute, isn't it? To keep all your recipes in. Another little planner. So we're starting with the reed diffusers. We've got all these different scents. These are really, really cute. I feel like I show these in every. Yeah, this definitely is. Look at this. This is so nice. But what would you put in that? Because I feel like flowers would clash with it. That one's really nice as well. That might be nice for like a tea light, do you think?
Oh wow, that's gorgeous.
Got all these baskets, but in so many more colours. They've got like yellow, lemon, orange, pink. They've got loads of shades of pink, lilac. They've got the whole range. Seen this on TikTok so many times, and Alice got it. It looks so nice. Okay, we're now back from Primark. Honestly guys, that was actually such a successful trip. Like, I feel like Primark had just had their new stock in. Like, they had like all their spring stuff in. Oh my god, they literally had so much good stuff. So I've got 3 huge bags down here. Literally 3 huge bags full of stuff. Can't wait to do the haul. I'm going to film that tomorrow morning, and that is going to be my next video that you guys will see over here on my channel. So I'd love you to stick around, join the little family, and subscribe if you aren't already. Don't miss the Primark haul. We've got so much good stuff you're not going to want to miss. We've got like mini Uggs, coats, clothes, pyjamas. We've literally got a range of everything, so I can't wait to share that with you all. And like I said, if you are new here, I do Primark videos every single month, so if you're a Primark fan like me, then definitely stick around and subscribe. Primark come shop with me and haul every single month, so we can keep up with what's new in together. I used to do this with Zara as well, to be fair, so if you want me to get back on with that, I can definitely do that as well. And comment down below if there's any other shops you want me to do a haul from, because I can definitely do that. But yeah, other than that, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all at my Primark haul. Bye guys!